So just grab a really small one. Any of these. It's just a small leaf. Your favourite leaf. Let's have a look. Can you see any little holes?
No.
No, they are too small to see, okay? So what we're going to do inside, we're going to make an imprint of this. And then we're going to use that imprint, put it under the microscope and see if we zoom in, can we see any tiny pores, any little holes? And what do we call those holes? Okay. You're going to get a thick layer and just put it on the underside of the leaf. Okay, can everyone point to the underside of the leaf, the bottom bit? You're going to put a generous thick layer of nail varnish. Okay. Can you check your microscope light works? To peel it off. You just need a really small section and then you're going to place it onto, what is this called? Good. So I'll just give it a little tear and I'll try and expose a piece. So a piece of the nail varnish should be showing. Okay. Oh, right. See, I've exposed a little piece there.
Yes.
Okay. I'll save that just in case that's my only good piece.
Mini slide. No slide, Junior.
Slide dressing.
So you might see, and they're going to be really, really small, so you'll have to increase the magnification. See little pores like this. Oh wow. I'm just going to zoom in. While yours is drying, have a look at mine. You can see loads, right? See hundreds. Photosynthesis to take place, and this energy comes from the sun, and then we need the chloroplasts because the chloroplasts contain